Cube. Tooth of the future. Because knowledge makes money. Zirconia for every indication. With the perfect balance of aesthetics, strength, and safety for your workflow. The right choice for every tooth technician who relies on safety, functionality, aesthetics, and economy. Cube is a product of Dental Direkt, Europe's largest manufacturer for zirconia. Made in Germany. That means with Dental Direkt. Guaranteed, always consistent and reproducible quality. Less chipping. Less relapse. Optimized processes and sustainability in the workflow. And thus satisfied customers and patients. In addition to innovative materials, Cube marks the product palette, the optimal product support and a permanent, fast availability. We create solutions for dental laboratories and support our partners with individual training, application training, and marketing material. Innovative CAD/CAM systems in the digitization of processes mean the perfect symbiosis of material and digital competence. Dental technicians and laboratories benefit from this. Because high aesthetic dental care with zircons has never been as easy and secure as with Cube. All Cube zircons are developed in our own laboratory and milling center and produced in Germany. Because we know that only those who integrate their own materials into the digital process chain and process them can make clinical statements and guarantee the highest dental quality. Now you can benefit from the Dental Direkt quality and safety guarantee for dental laboratories. Cube. Tooth of the future. Because knowledge makes money. Learn more now. Just click on the button.